How do you earn money from Instagram Reels? Now, there's a couple of ways that you can earn money from Instagram Reels. The first one is called Instagram Reels Play Bonus. So, Instagram actually offer bonuses for content creators based on performance of their Reels. You need to make specific eligibility criteria too, and the payout is determined by views and engagement. So, the more you actually have views on your Reels, the more you'll get paid. It's pretty standard, right? The second one is sponsored content and brand partnership. So, brands sometimes pay influencers to promote products or services in their Reels, right? Although you need a solid follower base and consistent engagement, you can use the Instagram Creator Marketplace to connect with potential brands. The third one, affiliate marketing. This is one of the most popular way. You can promote products using affiliate links in your Reels and account information for each sale made to your link. Use platform like Amazon Associates, Sales, or CJ Affiliate. You can also use Temu if you'd like. It's pretty popular. So if someone buys a product through your link, you'll earn a kickback from it. The fourth one, selling products or services. So instead of using an affiliate and selling someone else's product, just sell products yourself. So you can use Reels to showcase your products, right? You can use it, you can showcase service or merchandise. You can link your online store or use Instagram shopping to tag products directly in the reel. The fifth one, collaborations and shoutouts. So this can only apply if you have a pretty big account. You can charge other creators, brand or small businesses for shoutout, features or collaborations in your Reels.